Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna learn how to set attribute value using a Jquery. This is very small tutorial. I will show you in a minute, and very simple, and it's very easy to set a value or set a attribute value of any HTML element. So let's do. Right, so let's remove some JavaScript from here. Control X, and here is just simple one button, and this is a h1 tag, right? And here is a just a CSS design class, but this class we didn't add it at here to any element, right? We will add this design class using a JavaScript Jquery. We'll set this class to our HTML element. So let's save it and refresh. You will see the text color is black, and this is a heading level, and here is a button set attribute, right? So don't have any style, and don't have any class, and don't have any ID, and don't have any attribute, right? Like ID and my heading level, my heading, right? Or something we don't have, right? So let's add a Jquery and write some code. So this is Jquery I've added through a CDN file. This is CDN file I've added, and bottom of that we have our custom JavaScript file. So this is script tag is started from here and ending from here, right? And inside we have a document.ready function. Always we do like this, and some selectors. So this is h1 selector, and we can set the value using this function attr, means attribute. And what we want to set attribute, we want to set a class attribute to this h1. So this is h1, and this h1 class don't have any class, and we will add a class to this element using Jquery, right? So this is attribute, and this is a class we want to set, and which class name we want to set. This is a design class, right? And this design class, when you run this application, so design class, it will be like this class design, like this, right? So let me remove, because JavaScript will do same thing for us. And the design class, after added, we will add some font size and font color, and okay, text transform is maybe uppercase of something, all the characters and words have uppercase. When we refresh, you can see this is Jquery set attribute value. Jquery color is red color. When you change this to a green, it will work. Control S for save and refresh. This is green. I don't know why its color is not a green. It's not a, let me put it a blue here, so you can see blue. And bottom of that we have one button, but button, when you remove this, right? So button is enabled now. So let me disable this button to set a attribute which is disabled. So button, this is selector, and attr means attribute, and it's disable is disable. It's true. You can make it like true of something. Control S for save and refresh. So our button has disabled. When you click it, will nothing happen, right? So this way, just remember this function, which is attribute, attr attribute, and you can set any attribute of your any HTML tag, right? So pretty much we have done. So if you have any questions and doubt, you can ask me in the comment box, and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching once again. Bye bye, have a nice day.